Hey guys, so we have a very quick video today, and all I'm doing is just going over the page that you did yesterday, and that is because you have the Big 20 today, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. So for the star, I would slide over the x-axis first, and that shows me a 3. And then up the y-axis, and that is a 9. So 3, 9 would be your ordered pair. For lightning, I slide over 1, and then up 6. So 1, 6. For the circle, 1, 10, because it's up there. All right, for the heart, slide over 8, and then up 5. So 8, 5. For the cross, it's 8, 7. All right, for the triangle, it is 10, 10. For the moon, it is 0 across the x and 1 up the y, so 0, 1. For the square, it is 7, 0, because you did not go up any y. Okay, for the diamond, it is 9, 2. And for the music note, it is 3, 4. All right, so let's look at the bottom part of the paper where now you just had to write the letter that coordinates with the ordered pair. So 2, 0, that means I go over 2 and up 0, so that would be the letter C. 0, 5, so that means I go over none, but I go up 5, and that would be F. 9, 6, so I go over 9 and up 6, that would be the letter G. 6, 0, so I go over 6 and up 0, that would be K. 6, 6 would be over and then up, so that's J. 2, 1, go over 2 and up 1, that would be H. 1, 7, I would go over 1 and up 7, so that would be the letter D. And for 0, 0, that's at our origin, so that is B. 3, 5, I slide over 3 and up 5, that would be the letter E. And then the last one for 20 is 2, 9, so I go over 2 and up 9, and that would be the letter A. Alright, so that is all for today for my review of the page that you did for work yesterday. Please go to Google Classroom and begin your Big 20. You need to time yourself for about 20 minutes, alright? Do the best you can. This one is a practice. It does not go in the grade book, so give it your best. I'm going to see what you did, and then I will record a video that goes over each one of the answers for the Big 20, but you need to submit it before I release that video. All right, have a good day, guys.